Well, hi there guys, Mark here. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Fafrees F20 Pro folding electric bike. So just in the usual fashion, we'll just run around this bike, talk about all the specifications, then we'll take it for a little ride down to Poole Harbour and have our final thoughts down there. So I checked the price on the website this morning. These are coming in around about £720, which is excellent value for money for what you're getting. That's about €829. I say it is a folding design, which is very convenient for if you wanted to put it in the back of your car, that sort of thing. Link in the description for you. So out of the box, 250 watt, 15.5 miles an hour, UK legal. It's limited. It can be unlocked using the old holding the brake, holding the throttle, turning it on method. So we will try it later on, unlocked, see what sort of speed we can get out of it. But came very well boxed, came with a very nice selection of tools, charger, all good instructions. The battery is big on it, so it's got a 36 volt, 18 amp hour battery. I'll show you that removed in a minute. Takes about 8 hours to charge overnight. They're claiming 90 kilometers, about 55-mile range. I think in the real world, using all the power, it's going to be more like 35-40 miles, but it's still a very, very decent range. Very, very nice build quality, exceptionally nice riding for the money, this bike. Nice sort of step-through design, you know, so if you're looking for like a city commuter, a comfortable touring bike, this would definitely fit the bill. Right, so it's a removable battery. You can charge the battery on the bike or off the bike. So just push the little lever under the seat here to flip the seat up, turn the key fully to the left, counterclockwise, pull the handle and up it comes. It's a big battery, 18 amp hour, so just to reinstall, just slide it in there on the channel, click it down in, turn the key and you're good to go again. So it's a folding design. Just pull down the lever on the front there, that lowers the bars. Pull the lever there, open that up. The bike will then fold down. And that's its sort of folded position. Quite light, it's about sort of 30 odd kilos, so you can put that in the back of your car. So out of the box, it does come with a throttle. That's a full speed 15-mile-an-hour throttle, so you can leave that on or simply take it off easily if you want to. Nice little LCD display. You can see it well even in this sort of bright sunlight, showing you your speed, power assist levels, trip and battery. Nice little bell. Cable brakes, which is what you'd expect at this price, but they work absolutely fine. We've got 20x3 reasonably fat tyres on this with sort of knobblies, so they're good for on and off road. We will try it on a gravel track as well. We've got front and rear lights. You hold down that button there. So nice that it comes with lights as standard, front and rear. Also has a walk assist where you hold the minus button and it just helps you go up hills, pushing it up hills. It's got the usual Shimano 7-speed indexed gears, but these are set spot on straight out the box, so that's excellent. Nice big rear rack there to put your bag on or your panniers. So no rear suspension on this, but it does have a very, very comfortable sprung seat. Decent front suspension with lockout and preload, so the whole bike is very comfortable to ride. Excellent. Adjustable bars there for height. Nice contoured grips. But overall, a fantastic riding bike. Looks really nice in this green, really does sort of sparkle in the sunlight. Also available in black, grey, purple or blue. So there's the initial walk round, guys, of the Fafrees F20 Pro. Let's do the test ride, shall we?